Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Blended Seasons stamp set as well as the Stitched Seasons Thinlit dies. So this is a product that is only while supplies last, August 1st through 31st. So it's very limited time. I am producing an online class starting August 1st, but you can register for the class today if you'd like. The link is in the description bar below. I'm just finishing up the class content, so I will have some pictures on the blog for you today, actually. So you can see what I've done there. I have used the one of the Thinlits to die cut a piece of Whisper White thin cardstock. I've actually sliced that in two because I decided I'm using the Whisper White narrow note cards and envelopes for this card. All right, so I'm using gray granite. I'm stamping off, and I just have a little piece of masking tape there so that I can place the items where I want them to go. All right, I cleaned off my stamp there and with my chamois, and now I have my dauber, finger dauber here, and I'm using some lovely lipstick, and I'm just daubing on the, I don't know what kind of flower this is. I think it could go any kind of flower. I'm choosing very bright summery colors because we're in summertime right now, but I think that the whole point of this stamp set and Thinlit die is that you can use it for any season. Can you imagine those being maybe green with just the tips being red? It could look like holly or berries, or, you know, making a wreath, that type of thing. The one really nice thing about this Thinlit is that it's stitched on the inside and the outside. So when you go to die cut it, either the negative or the positive has a stitching to it. So you can see what I'm doing here. I took my little sponge, and with my gray granite, I'm sort of picking up some of the lemon lime twist and the tranquil tide with my sponge as well. This is a blending mat that I'm using, but you could use any little piece of plastic, that sort of thing, to do this too. And I just wanted to add a little bit of color so that I find that the gray granite needs, I don't know, I love the color, but I think I was just looking for it to have a tinge of something. It's a warm gray, so you can kind of do this. With a cool gray, it just looks muddy, but anyway, here I am using the Wood Textures Designer Series paper, which I absolutely love this paper. It wasn't in your paper share or a paper share that I did recently because it's not new. It says the second year that Stampin' Up has carried over. So I think it was just a couple inches strip that I've used, and now I'm cutting off the excess. And these narrow cards, this is a very thick cardstock. Like, I had to sort of wrestle it into place while I was folding it in half and trying to get a nice crease. Like, they're strong puppies. So I put dimensionals on the back of my sentiment piece, and you can see there I have a little smudge, but I'm not too worried about it. I'm just going to put a rhinestone on it. So so I've taken some glue dots and I'm putting it to the back side of my little flower and leaf here, and then just adhering it behind the die cut sentiment piece. So there's also a maple leaf that's in here that's gorgeous, and that could go for fall. Like, I really love the versatility of this stamp set and die. And this little flourish, yep, it's any season you want. Okay, so here are my rhinestones that I am placing. Just, you know, sometimes I fuss with them and sometimes I just plunk them down, make it look random. I'm not an expert about where to place things. I do know that you want to try to keep it into a visual triangle because it's easy on the eyes, or it draws our eye into the sentiment or what the main focus of the card is. Here's that stamp set again and the dies. Again, it's only while supplies last, August 1st to the 31st. This is another card that I made with it, and it also features some brand new watercolor pencils. So thanks so much for joining me. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.